Hey YouTube, it's RooTube here. Let me show you how to make a DIY weighted baby brine shrimp hatchery. Now, sometimes people have problems with them tipping over, and this is a little bit different, but I've heard of people, like I heard Primetime Aquatics put rocks in the bottom of theirs to weigh it down. So I thought I'd do something just a smidge different that hopefully would work. Need yourself a plate. Anyone will do. If you have one that's chipped, you don't want anybody getting hurt on it, use that. Dollar store, grab one. You're gonna need a bottle with a little cap, same size bottle without cap, a knife, scissors, potato, and then some glue or some caulking or something that's pretty good. This is, well, I had to caulk a window, so I don't want it to go to waste. So all you gotta do, just on your first bottle with the lid right here, and then I'm gonna be careful so you don't cut yourself. Yeah, this knife is way sharper than my other one is. There we go. Like that. It's a little, not quite cut, oops, evenly, but alright, then you want to save both pieces, because this will sit on top. Well, not like that. Like that to keep dust. I have 3 dogs, so, and it makes so you don't lose as much water from evaporation and stuff. So that's step 1. Step 2, we take this one and we cut it right here. Might have to adjust this a little bit. Oops. Yeah, especially when I do something like that. That's pretty bad. See? Fit just like that in there, perfect. See? Now, this you can actually use. I've actually used them for a shell, just like a little scoop stuff with. You can use it as a funnel, or you can recycle. So we take this, pop that back out for a minute, put this knife back so myself or the dog doesn't get hurt on it. We'll take our plate, take our flex glue, any kind of glue, something that's sturdy so it doesn't let loose, and then we just put a nice bead on the bottom of this. And you're probably gonna hear a dog barking because he barks at everything, and I don't know what is out there, but that's probably what you're gonna hear. See? And you take this right square in the middle and you hold it down. And give it a couple minutes, especially depending on what you're using. And then if you can, find yourself something with a little weight so you don't have to sit in here and hold it. And all you do is you take this, you put this in there, and you can actually put rocks in here too. Rocks are on this, whatever you want. And of course your little lid so you don't get the stuff in it. And there you go. It's a weighted base, do-it-yourself baby brine shrimp hatchery. If you enjoyed this, please hit like. And if you want to become part of the Roo crew, subscribe. Alright, everybody take it easy, enjoy your day. Bye.